Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download Codex on your computer in 2026 in very easy steps. So before that, subscribe to the channel guys, which is Taki to keep working on new tutorials, commenting, and if there is any issue or anything that you comment with, I will take it into consideration for the next videos. So all what you need to do is just open browser and then press Codex download and go for the second link here from the OpenAI link. So here all what you need to do, you can find some credits, offers, and so on. So all what you need to do, just you need to go for download for Windows in down the website, press download, and here you're gonna be waiting for Codex installer. After that, it's gonna be waiting for this pop-up to completely installing your software from Microsoft Store. All what you need to do is that. In my case, I already installed it, so in this case it's gonna be updating. So after a while guys, you will find this pop-up program is opening. Here is the Codex context, how you can get it, how you can turn it off. So you're gonna be choosing which model that you are using for that. So yeah guys, keep going. That's it, how to download Codex. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Peace.